Hey, Anthony here from West Coast Custom Concrete. This video will be on, we're going to be laying down some colored custom DG and compacting it with a vibra plate for aesthetically, it's going to look really good. It's the back of this property where I did all the parking lot and the patios. We're going to put some, I guess it's pewter gray DG with some treated red wood up above to separate the planter. And we moved the drain over to the right. And I'm not sure what we're going to do. You can't really park back there, so we put DG back there instead of just making the whole the whole property concreted, and we moved the drain that we stubbed in under the concrete we poured to move it over in case somebody does put a car in the DG. Because the more you go on it and the more you drive on it or walk on it, the tighter it gets. So if they could park a car there, they could, but we didn't want it all concrete. She wants the back of the property to look really nice, and we stubbed a sprinkler line into the planter so when they tie the landscapers tie it into the front, they can have water back there. It's me, Javier, and Milton. And to be honest with you, I don't even know who the guy in the red is. He just showed up. But anyway, here's Javier. We're gonna put a planter across there, running a string line, couple 3 foot planter. The plants are existing, and I graded this with my tractor. But you really can't get a tractor back there and do it clean and not go on a new concrete and leave tire marks or chip the edge. So we had to grade this by hand, and then we had to do spread the DG by hand and use a vibra plate on it and keep wetting it. Here's a separation from the planter. It's just treated wood. It's my man Javier setting it up. Here I am in the red, spreading it out. We're just trying to get the grade decent. It's like 5 yards of DG by hand. So we started about 7:30 in the morning. We were done at noon. We're spreading it out here. You want to get the base spread evenly with it, and then we're gonna get it all out there. We're gonna soak it, and then we're gonna vibra plate it. And then the next day I hand compacted it too. This was exactly 5 yards of DG. This stuff is so nice looking. There's a lot of crushed rock in it too, DG, where it's going to compact really good. But the next day I went out there and the rocks are kind of loose. So I'm going to come back and glue it. I'm going to spray it and glue it all down. You got to really wet this stuff good. And this is a baking hot day. I mean, to be honest, I took off for an hour to go body surf and came back. It's really hot out here this month of August, especially back in the back of this property. There's no wind. Here I am vibroplating it. We hit it for about 50 minutes with the vibroplate and just really knocked it down. It's really wet here because we soaked it, so it almost looks charcoal dark. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it.